Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have an NFC-capable phone and a suitable app that can write or erase tags. Once done, place the tag on a non-metal surface and remove cases that interfere with signal. Open the app and grant NFC permissions, then tap Read to identify the tag's technology and current data. This step matters because some tags are locked or write-protected. Identifying the type and lock status tells you whether a standard erase will work or if additional tools are required. Now you perform the actual erase. Select the app's erase or format command and make sure you're targeting the correct memory sectors because tags often have multiple areas. If the tag reports password or permanent lock, try the app's password removal or use vendor-specific utilities. Otherwise, proceed. Tap the phone to the tag and run the erase. The app will overwrite NDEF records or zero out memory. This is why verifying writability first prevents accidental failures or partial erases. Finish by reading the tag to verify all NDEF records are gone. Make sure the app shows empty memory. If the erase did not complete, retry with the full format option or switch to a different NFC utility on your phone because software differences can affect success. If the tag is hardware locked or permanently write protected, you will need manufacturer tools or to replace the tag. One key troubleshooting tip: intermittent failures often mean poor alignment. Reposition the tag and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.